Girl, they're a little girl with a little blue eye, yeah. Oh, somebody got the hiccups. Oh, I got the hiccups. Oh, alright. Oh, what you got the hiccups for? Sun setting. Oh, bright. Bright light, bright light. Who got the hiccups? Oh, oh, oh. Can I see? No, it's my charger. Charger. You think it's... Are you sitting for a treat? Oh! I don't have any trees. Do I have any trees? Did I give the last treat out? I'm trying to train a treat here. Oh, I do. I got a tree. Hey! Oh. Zoe! Who's a good girl? Oh, good girl. Yes, yes, very good. Yes. Chum chum, liver treats. Dehydrated liver treats. All right, that's Zoe staying still like a good girl. Are you staying still? Do I have one more? Or is that it? That was it, guys. So, nope, I got one more. Ta-da! Stay, girl. I asked for paw, but I have one hand. So, good girl, yes. Yes. This is a beautiful Saturday evening. Just want to say y'all have a good night. Enjoy this summertime, because it's going to be over. It's going to be over. Oh, no. All right, we'll pick. Ow!